It's a 2014 INFINITI QX80. Embrace luxury grand enough to accommodate all the adventures you seek and powerful enough to amplify them. Features include V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, external memory control, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports the QX80 is the best INFINITI SUV to date and superior to at least a few of its competitors. INFINITI functional craftsmanship surrounds you with infinite possibilities. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.